Good morning, Queemites and Queemalongs. I am here about to have some homemade granola, very simple recipe. Go ahead and comment below if you want it. And some raspberries, but I don't have any milk that I can use. I'm dairy free, so at this point or whatever, I'm gonna have to blend me up some oat milk and really just use what I have because this is what I have. So what I got in this blender or this new wave, I have about a fourth or a third of a cup of oats, and then I have a strainer and a big cup for the liquid to go underneath. Because this is a one-use oat milk, I'm not making a lot, and I'm just hungry, so let's do it. What I did here is added about a cup of water, and now we're just gonna blend our unstrained oat milk. To strain it is to drain it. Did I get enough on the counter for y'all? Alright. That is our quick homemade oat milk with homemade granola. I guess I should start growing raspberries next and berries. Because everything else is homemade, ain't it?